What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I'm going to show you the best online business to start in 2020. But you're definitely going to want to watch the entire video because just like the title says, I'm going to show you the exact business model, the exact framework that has allowed me to earn $5,000 in the last 35 days. Mind you, this is with 100% free traffic, while still working my job and without doing any of the selling myself. Now, I'll show some proof around the screen somewhere just so you can see that I'm telling the truth and I'm not talking out of my arse or making it up like some people on the internet do. However, I don't want to discount the amount of hard work this took. It's definitely not easy, but it is very simple. And it's definitely not guaranteed, but it is proven. So without any further ado, make sure to smash that like button and let's get into the video. All right, so first things first, let's address the elephant in the room, right? So you're probably wondering, what business model is this? Especially if it's your first time here and you don't know that my channel is about affiliate marketing. I teach you how to start your own online business and make money online with affiliate marketing. So if it is your first time here and that's the type of content you like, definitely hit that subscribe button. But this isn't just regular affiliate marketing. This is high ticket affiliate marketing. So with that being said, that $5,000 I made, how much sales do you think it took me to reach that 5,000? I mean, honestly, I could tell you right now, if I was selling a $100 product or earning $100 commissions per product, how many products would I have to sell? What is that, 50? I'd have to sell 50 to make that same $5,000. But guess what? I made that $5,000, the same $5,000 with 3 sales. Three, like that's insane, right? And that's just the true power of high ticket affiliate marketing and just high ticket products in general. You're doing the same amount of work, but with a much higher reward. Now, if for some reason you're just not interested in high ticket affiliate marketing or making more money for less work, that's totally fine. I'll link up above to a playlist and that will show you how to make money with ClickBank, and that's more lower ticket stuff. And there's nothing wrong with that because with high ticket affiliate marketing, you're not gonna succeed unless you are willing to invest in yourself. And not everyone is willing to make that investment. I mean, especially if you're starting out. I mean, you can go to the first link in the description, and that's the business that I'm talking about, the program that I'm talking about, and you can get started for $7. Literally, that's it. But if you wanna actually promote this program and make these type of commissions, you're gonna have to invest in yourself. Because this isn't just like a ClickBank product. You can't just automatically promote it. You have to apply to promote it. And they're not going to just approve everyone because unfortunately there's people out there who will spam links and do kind of black hat stuff, and they're not cool with that because it's just not how it works, right? So you have to either be an established affiliate marketer or willing to invest in yourself, right? You gotta learn the proper way to promote this product and any product for that matter. So with that being said, you can still use the first link in the description to get started with it for $7 and see if it resonates with you, right? Like you're not like wrapped into anything or whatever. You still have a choice, right? You always have a choice. But me personally, I couldn't make any money online. It was like 6 months, nothing, until I got started with this program. That's when everything changed. And even then, it still took me a little while to figure things out. I just finally had to invest in myself to, make things work, right? And there's a couple other things I'll talk about later on, but there's like some key things you have to do, and investing in yourself in business is just one of them, okay? And like I said, I can't guarantee your results. No one can. If they do, they're lying. It's illegal. Don't believe them. But what I can guarantee you is that their program and their training and their entire team is just next level. Like legit, it's so powerful. And again, they do the selling for you. They have a complete team of salesmen that sell for you. They get on the phone and close the leads on these high ticket products for you. But anyways, that's enough of that. I digress, right? But if you're following thus far, you should have your business model picked out, which is high ticket affiliate marketing. And that could also be considered your niche. And you should also have your product figured out, which is the first link in the description, along with all the training that comes along with that to teach you how to actually promote it, right? So that's so many things wrapped all in one right there. Okay, that's a huge issue that not many people even figure out when they're starting their online business. They just are so confused, and trust me, that will give you so much clarity, just that, okay? Now, the next step, you need to pick a platform to create content on. Like, sure, you could do paid ads and all that stuff, like Facebook ads, YouTube ads, all that, but I 100% suggest starting out with free traffic, okay? You have a lot more room for failure, right? Like, if you're doing paid ads, you can lose $1,000 like that. Like, trust me, I've done it, and it's just not. I mean, unless you know what you're doing, right? Unless you've done paid ads in the past or like whatever, I still think it's just 100% better to start off creating content. And that's what I focus on to this day. I do a little retargeting here or there, but it's like mostly 100% free traffic. And if you do plan to promote this product specifically, I suggest doing YouTube. Even if you've never created a video before, I'm, for one, happy to help you, but it's just where I've been having my success. And I believe that there's enough to go around for everyone, and I want to see you succeed, okay? But truly, any platform works. You could do Facebook, blogging, podcasting, Instagram, whatever, right? It really doesn't matter. The key here is that you only choose one, not two, not three. That's two, not three, not seven, just one, okay? The reason being is because you want to just truly laser focus in on this one platform and this one strategy and this one product, right? Like, you will be so far ahead than all the competition who's just like shiny object, shiny object, shiny object. Trust me, I went through it myself. And you also want to be growing your email list on the side of doing your free traffic method, okay? So this is just, it's proven, like it's what I'm doing currently. I'm no BS, like 100% what I'm doing, right? Like, sure, I have Facebook too, but if I only did one or the other, I would be so much further ahead right now. And I'm not saying to never add things in, right? But just for at least 6 months, just the one thing, okay? Trust me, you will be so far ahead. I promise you. Now, that brings us to our fourth step, okay? And for this step, we have to get prepared. All right, so what does that even mean, get prepared? Well, it will mean something different for you, me, and the next 12 people. It truly depends on a few different things. It depends on which platform you choose. It depends on your budget and many different things, the space you have, a ton of different things, right? So for example, if you're gonna do podcasting, or no, if you're going to do blogging, let's say, and you need to get prepared, this would mean like you got to get web hosting, you got to get a website up, things like that, right? And for me, let's say I was getting prepared for YouTube. I would need to get a microphone, a webcam, right? So I'm getting prepared. So that's the content side of getting prepared. The other side is getting your software ready, because for an online business, you're going to need 1 to 2 pieces of software. Don't listen to anyone else that says you need all this automation software. You don't, especially not when starting out. You want to be spending as little money as possible, okay? 100%. I made this mistake myself, and I don't want you to make it as well. However, there is 1 to 2. I'm having trouble with my fingers today, but you need 1 or 2 pieces of software. The first one is landing page or funnel software or just website software, basically, right? I personally use ClickFunnels, okay? And that's what the program is going to be talking about using as well. The nice thing is if you use ClickFunnels, that they have pre-made funnels, basically, that they can give you, and then you just put a link into your browser and you get it automatically. You don't have to make the funnels at all. The problem with that, they are good funnels. I won't discount that, but that's what everyone is using. Everyone who's too lazy to make their own, right? The thing is, I created my own. I don't want many people to have it, but if you sign up for your free trial link with my link in the description, that's my affiliate link, I will earn a commission at no extra charge to you. I will give you my custom built exclusive funnels for free, okay? And I have a ClickFunnels course. I have a ton of other bonuses, but let's just keep it simple for now. Now, the second software, if you can't afford ClickFunnels, because it is $97 a month, that's their lower plan, but that's all you need. The second software you're going to need regardless, and this is ConvertKit. Okay, that's what I personally use, and that's an email software. Now, the reason why I say this could kind of replace it is because you can actually create landing pages on ConvertKit as well, right? And the nice thing about this is ConvertKit's only $30 a month for everything. You can create unlimited landing pages, you get sequences, automation, all that stuff. So you can store and send emails and create landing pages for $30 a month. and you're gonna need it regardless, so you're not spending any extra money. But if you're like, yo, Thomas, like I'm broke, like I can't afford none of this stuff. They did, like, literally, I think it was 2 weeks ago now, they created a free plan inside of ConvertKit. Now, the main difference with that is you don't get the automation side of it. You can only collect emails, create landing pages, and send broadcast emails. Now, that's like the bare minimum. If that's what you can afford, that's what you can afford, right? If you can't afford the paid plan, don't get it, right? So there is that, and I'll have all this stuff linked in the description, okay? Now, just a quick recap before we move on to the last step. So step 1, we need to pick our business model. That's high ticket affiliate marketing, right? Step 2, we got to pick a product, and that's, you know, the first link in the description. And then step 3, we got to pick a platform to promote it on, right? And that's whatever you chose, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, whatever, right? And then step 4, you have to get prepared with the software, all that stuff, and that's linked in the description below. Now, step 5, and the most important step truly, is creating the content, or getting traffic, or getting people to see your offer, right? So it's quite simple, actually. And it's simple because you just keep doing it, right? Like you may not have ever created a video before, but after 50 or 100 videos, you'll be very good. I'm not gonna say I'm good, but I was not where I'm at today at doing videos when I first started, if I said that right, but I wasn't nearly what I am today when I first started. No one is. No one's really good when they first start. Most people suck. I sucked. Like, that's just the name of the game, right? That's with anything in life. It takes hard work, dedication. It takes long nights, all that stuff. Like, that's part of the game, especially for anything worthwhile, okay? And for something that can make you life-changing money, that's nothing, right? You just got to put the work in and not give up. And as far as like how often to create the content, personally, I think more is better, but you want to pick an amount, I guess, that you can stay consistent with. Algorithms love consistency, okay? So I wouldn't say create more if you're sacrificing the amount of value, right? If that makes sense. And again, if you're confused about creating the content and how to create the content, with the training that you'll get inside of the program, teaching you a ton, you also have our good friend YouTube. I mean, between mentors, this training, and YouTube, I learned more about this online game and YouTube and just social media, everything in general, than I ever thought I would. Like, truly, I know more now than I ever thought possible. And it's just truly from like reading and paying attention and watching videos. But it's not about like over consuming. That's the problem with most people. I even get stuck doing it today. Right? You got to stop consuming so much. Follow 1 or maybe 2 people and just take action, right? Like massive, imperfect action, okay? Nothing has to be perfect. That was another thing I personally struggled with. Still do sometimes. But you just gotta do it, because I promise most people, they don't even notice the little things that might bother you, or for me, the things that bothered me and I wanted to perfect, people don't even notice. Right? So you just got to do it. Again, just take action. Also, if you're confused at all about any of this stuff, please feel free to comment down below and let me know. I'm happy to help. I always reply, always respond. Okay? I'm not like these other gurus. I will actually respond, and I'm here to help. Okay? And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, destroy the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you want to get started with your own high ticket, high profit online business, hit that first link in the description. Also, I do have a Facebook group that I'm trying to spend more time in lately. I post there every single day. If you want to connect with me further, join me over there. The link is also in the description. And that's all I got. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. I'll see you on the next video.